What's going on? This is Norina Kowal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So hopefully you watch my all video. So in today video I will explain you how you can make landing page step by step, right? So let's jump on. Just click on my this video. Go to description, right? Show more. And here we go. You will see the link of get response. And you will see this page. If you are totally new, you just sign up for free for 1 month, right? So they will offer you 1 month free. And if you have already account, so you just need to go log in. So you will see this page, right? So you can create form, create newsletter, create landing page, add contact, create autoresponder. So this is beauty of this software, right? So this is easy and beginner friendly and also cheap, and you can easily use it. So we will create landing page, right? So you need to create new. Okay, so there is already templates, so I will show you easy way how you can make your landing page. There is a simple template I will show you. This is so put the name of their, you can business affiliate marketing. Okay, don't use any space, right? So you will see this page is loading. So what you need to do, remove the logo, and you can put your picture here. I will give you example. If you have your picture, you want to show your face, you just insert your picture, right? So how you can insert your picture, click on the picture, right? So click on replace. So you can go into your computer, add files, and select from your computer, and I give you example. Okay, so yesterday I took 1 pictures. For example, I will use this picture, right? So add, and picture is not, so I can use from here. Okay, we can use it, this picture. I'm just giving you example. Okay, so you can upload your own photo. Here we go, right? This is your picture. Suppose this is your picture, right? So first what you need to do, you need to put the first heading. Let's start your online. Okay, do you want to start your online business, right? So no idea how to start and where to start. Okay, so I will color into black, and will reduce its size. Now this is okay, 44, right? So it's up to you which color you like, and these are options. You can bold it and unbold, italic, underline, everything. So you can change the font style also, right? So this is how you can change it, right? So next step is sorry. So just you need to collect the emails of people, right? So if you want to put some more heading, you just take from here to text, right? What do you want to start your online business? No idea how to start and where to start. So no technical experience. Need it, right? So no technical experience needed. And second heading I will put here, work from home, right? So in next dollar 1,100 to dollar 1,000 in a day. Okay, so I will position it, right? So and this is okay, and click get instant get access now. Okay, so now what you need to do, you can drag it to long or up to you, what do you want. So I just show you easiest template, right? So here is lots of things you can add it here, and you can add your video also. So there is lots of icon you can try if you want. This is your picture, and this is your, you can put it here, work from home, start it today, do you want to start your online business? So you can put it anything which is you like, right? So basically your purpose is to collect the email from people's, right? So we will jump on to next step. Next step, right? 1 minute. Sorry, this is your mobile version. It look like on mobile, right? So you can check it here. Click on next step and you will see this page. This is your page title name. It will be show on to top like this, get response app. So this page will show like affiliate marketing. You can add description if you want. And next step is yeah, it's up to you, what do you want. Subscribe now, getresponse.com. and if you have domain, you can add it your domain, right? So you can add it if you have. If you don't have, it's okay. So you need to choose the list. First you need to make the list. So I will choose this list, new member. So this is, I make first list and then I start the making landing page, right? So make sure to uncheck it, right? You don't like this, you just uncheck it. Okay, so in default thank you page, you just need to enter your affiliate link, right? So I will put my affiliate link, right? So if you are promoting 3-day challenge, 15 days challenge, or anything like keto diet, or anything you want to promote, so you just need to put your custom link here, right? And next step is here, publish. Here we go, view your landing page. This is your landing page, right? This is your picture and this is your landing page. So this is very easy and beginner friendly setup. I told you step by step. So if you want to make a page like me, how I make, I can show you my page. 1 minute please. So I can show you. So this is my landing page, right? So yes, I work from home, earn up to 100 to 500. You can make a same page like this. So one more thing, I put the disclaimer privacy in bottom. You can also put it down. You just need to select the text from here and write it here box. Okay, so if you don't know where to take this text and information, you just copy from my page and paste it here, right? So and don't forget to put this heading also. So in thank you page I will show you. You can also add your video, recording video, what is your experience, you can explain, and after this you can add your information. If you don't mind, you can copy my every information. Just put your name and be your own personal, and copy this and paste into your page, right? And same disclaimer you can copy it and paste into your thank you page, right? So same, again I put the my link, or you can also put your email address here, copyright and these things. And next step, I just put my affiliate link in the custom URL, right? So this is how you can make your own landing page. So you can just copy my landing page and add the text in bottom, right, in this place if you want. If you don't want, it's okay, because the purpose is to collect the emails, how many people come and visit into your landing page, right? So this is how you can make your landing page. Okay, if you want to know what I'm doing, just go and check the link in my description. So take the 15 days challenge, and also take, there is 3-day challenge. If you have don't enough time, you just need to take 3-day challenge. It's very good and amazing to quick learner. So this is how you can make passive income. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will send you my new video every day. Thanks for watching.